ओके इधर इसके नीचे गुलाब की चीज़ रखा, बैलेंस हो जाएगा यहाँ पर। इधर इधर इस साइड। हाँ चल ठीक, नहीं बस ठीक है।
मजा बड़ा आया यार। ये बॉल पठान ने ये देखे इसका इधर आई है, ये देखे इतनी तो आई है, ये देखे ऐसे किया वो छक्का दबा दिया। मैंने कहा काम तो सही हो गया। मैं तो यार मैं सोचा महीने तक ऐसे चलते रहना, और मैंने 2-4 दिन में छक्के लगा शुरू कर दिए इस बैट। अब मुझे डिफरेंस पता लग गया छोटे बैट का और बड़े बैट का। क्यों नहीं होगा
सही हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह। क्या बड़ा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
अब सैटरडे वाले मैच देख रहे 6 छक्के बड़ा तो एक मैच वो बड़ा लेट है यार।
तो कहाँ से बड़ा होगा?
शुरू कर दिया हुआ
चल।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद। So the same venue, Hashimpura Properties, Fatehgarh, Sialkot. And this match in 2 traditional rivals. One has to win and one has to lose. So the first opponent is Mateen and the next opponent is Chiku. So yeah, great battle between the 2 traditional rivals. They are punching with each other. ये मजा आ रही है बीच में और मैंने इस बार बैलेंस में सही बना हुआ। इसको थोड़ा ऊंचा करे या कोई बंदा ही नजर नहीं आ रहा। अब
इसके नीचे रखो कुछ।
इसके
अगर पत्थर ला के रखो।
चेक करिएगा मेरी गेड़ी। ऐसा लग रहा है कि ना शुएब अख्तर को ऐसे ही करना और छक्का है इधर।
ये पत्थर कोई और ला के नीचे रख यार, ये नहीं सही। ये उठा देना, एक रख बस यार, नहीं सही है।
नहीं हो रहा।
ठीक है जब ठीक है रहने दो। इस तरह तो नहीं ना करते यार, तू जो तू कर रहा है कर। तो कोई दूसरा पत्थर ला के एक रख, बड़ा छोड़ इसको। इधर लाओ वायर।
ये सेट हो जाएगा।
ठीक है।
लगाई नहीं आती है मैसिवली दैट शुड बी अ सिक्सर एंड दूसरी थी मैसिवली आउट ऑफ द राइट बैट क्या था इसे में नहीं आ रही हो
कके जाके बॉलर ने पूछा ना बैट्समैनों का हमें पता ही है औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व आलि मुहम्मद वज्जल फरजहुम अजमईन करीम Very warm welcome to all of you from the bottom of our heart. Same venue, Hashimpura Properties, Fatehgarh, Sialkot. So it's a great contest between the two traditional rivals. They are punching with each other for respect and honor. The first one is Manali from Fatehgarh and the other side Eidgah Cricket Club. Both teams are equally strong. So they are fighting for respect and honor. So get ready to watch. It's a great battle. So hopefully you will be able to enjoy. So Manali has won the toss and decided to bat first. In a winter season, it's truly a very difficult for the batters to play effectively, and it's also a very difficult for the bowlers to bowl effectively. But in spite of all these conditions, the craze, the passion of cricket is always dominating over all these things. The players are dominated, and they have decided to perish the reputation of everyone, doesn't matter who he is. So regarding the opening pair, Manali and Bilawal, both are equally strong batsmen. They have the guts to do anything whatever the people are expecting. So Bilawal is on strike. Bowler name Kake? Faizan. Faizan has taken the responsibility to bowl first. It's a big opportunity for a Faizan to prove himself that he can do everything whatever the team members are expecting. On the other side, both players are equally strong and sensible. They have the guts to do anything whatever you are expecting. Bilawal is on strike. It's a batting paradise, Hashimpura Properties, Fatehgarh. Cemented wicket, so you don't have enough space to do anything. You just have to perform. Variations are unnecessary, so otherwise you will be perished. One has to win and one has to lose. It's a part of game. But you just have to perform and to prove yourself that you can do everything whatever the team members are expecting. Blazing start, blazing ending. Blistering start, blistering ending. That's a point you should always keep in mind whenever you are playing cricket. So
एक ही मैच है अपन का, एक ही मैच है उनका, कितनी उन्होंने
दो तीन लगाए.
दो तीन लगाने.
So Faizan is the bowler. They are abusing with each other. So this match has been organized by NK Sports. NK Sports, a brand of Karachi, brand of Pakistan. If you are interested to buy these bats, so try to keep in touch with NK Sports, so they will cooperate with you. They are producing a very good bats.
Zaba, ये क्या चीज है?
ये दीवारों में नमी आ जाती है ना, उसकी वजह से हो जाती है. Conditions are very tough, but in spite of all this, the passion of cricket is always dominating over the hard conditions. The young boys are determined to do anything, whatever the people are expecting. There is a huge hustle and bustle in the ground, but in spite of all this, everyone is trying to do us something.
What match?
इधर बैठ गया पुत्र, वो हैंड इधर बैठ गया मेरे साथ. माइंड तो नहीं कर गए.
नहीं.
Alawal is such a sensible batsman, such a great all-rounder, always setting a good example for his team member. So as a batter, he always try to set a good example for his team member. On the other side, finally, a brand of Fatehgarh, brand of Sialkot, he's always try to do something new. Always try to set a good example for his team member. So it's a big opportunity for Faizan to do something new.
दिल करता है ऐसे बंदों को इतना मारो कोई जमीन खड़े ना हो पर. आपसे क्या कहाँ पीने को पिया उसने? नहीं ना पिया? क्यों नहीं पिया वाला? क्या कहता पहला पता ना खेल गए?
मुझे कह रहा था आप क्यों नहीं पी रहे? मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मुझे क्या जरूरत पड़ी है गंदे पानी का कहो पीने.
तो मैं पैसे दूंगा तुम बस पी के देखो. घंटा हो गया मैच शुरू करने का.
एक मैच करके चले जाते हैं, तो हमने वहाँ पर भी जाना है यार पढ़ने के लिए। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajal farajahum. Here we go. The first ball of this morning. Faizan is the bowler, such a quick bowler, such a fast and furious. So he's always trying to do something very special. It's a big opportunity for Faizan to prove himself. On the other side, Bilawal is the batsman. Deadly bouncer, that was short boundary is a big problem for the both sides. Comfortably taken 1 run. That should be a 4. Such a lazy fielding. The fielders are not interested to take the ball. Here we go. The next ball of this over. Same ball. That should be a 6. Oh, that's a dolly he has dropped it. And that was a truly a big opportunity for Bilawal. The fielder always try to to create hurdles for the bowlers. Drop catches, misfielding always create problems for the bowlers. Simply means you can say that you are killing yourself. You are committing a suicide whenever you are not interested to take the catch. Especially in a table cricket, so you don't have any space to make experiment. You just have to prove that you are deserving for this place. The third ball of this over. Pleasant morning, bright morning. Here we go. The third ball of this over. That should be a wide. Not a very good line. 9 runs after 3 balls, I think. Good shot. That should be a 6. Yes, it is. Hashimpura Properties 10 on 10, 6. That was truly a huge sixer. Truly remarkable, truly memorable. What a shot, what a player. So Bilawal is on fire. He is looking very aggressive today. He has decided to spoil the reputation of everyone. Doesn't matter who he is. He is truly a man of honor. Truly a skillful person. Good shot, ground shot. That should be a single. Comfortably taken 1 run. So Manali has to do something very special today. So little man is a dangerous man. He is truly a man of honor. A truly unpredictable personality. Here we go. The next ball of this over. Good shot through the covers. That should be a 6. Oh, catches the call. The fielder is not interested to take the catch. Catches win matches. That's a point you should always keep in mind whenever you are playing cricket. Drop catches, misfielding always create hurdles for the bowlers. Simply means that you are creating hurdles for the bowlers. The last ball of this over. Oh, that's a very good line. Bilawal was unable to understand how to play effectively. There is a huge gap between ball and bat. Inside edge, you just have to time the ball whenever you are playing on a cemented wicket. So it's a big opportunity for the batters to to prove themselves that they are doing everything whatever you are expecting. भाई जरा स्कोर पूछते हैं जरा यार. 15 runs after 1 over. Bowler name. ओए कीपर से पूछ. जा जाके खुद पूछा है. So the new bowler is Dania. That's a huge void, not a very good line. The bowler just tried to focus on his line and length, and there should be some sort of variations. Variations are necessary in a table cricket. Otherwise, you will be perished. Here we go. Manali. Good shot. Look at that style. Hashipura Properties 10 on 10 6. What a shot. What a player. Aliman. He's looking very aggressive today. He's truly a man of honor. One man army, one man show. Manali. Once again, he's on strike. Perfect Yorker. Catches the call. That should be a 4. Couple of bounces over the rope. Consecutive boundaries, back-to-back boundaries, absolutely very expensive today. Overstepping. That's a big problem for the bowler. Daniel has to change his line and length. He has to focus on his line and length. Otherwise, he'll be perished. ताकि जल्दी जा आती दफा स्कोर पूछ के आना. Once again, Aliman. He's on strike. He's looking very confident today. He's using CD brand of Sialkot. So here we go. The next ball of this over, ground shot. That should be a single. Comfortably taken 1 run. So Bilawal is rotating the strike. So both batsmen are truly sensible. Here we go. Good shot. Look at that style. Style is the man. Catches the call through the covers. Couple of bounces over the rope. That should be a 4. Back-to-back boundaries simply means that you are creating hurdles for your own self. So Daniel is in trouble. Daniel has to do something very special. Here we go. Deadly bouncer. That should be a 6. That was truly a huge sixer. What a shot. What a player. Bilawal is on fire. He's looking very confident today. He has decided to perish the reputation of everyone. Doesn't matter who he is. So Daniel is in trouble. Here we go. Bilawal is the batsman. Slow delivery. That's a very good variation. Oh, misfielding. That should be a 4. A truly a nonsensical attitude. It's a truly a miserable conditions that when the fielders are not interested to take the ball. Simply you are creating hurdles for your own self. You are killing yourself. So it's a big opportunity for Bilawal to set a good example for his team member. As a batter, he is playing a very effectively, a truly a sensible batsman. Good shot, perfect Yorker this time. That should be a single, comfortably taken 1 run. That should be over. स्कोर पूछ के, वो उधर लड़के बैठे हुए हैं उधर बड़े, उनसे पूछ के उसको। 45 runs after 2 overs. They are setting a stiff target for his opponents, so they have to.
45 मैंने कहा था ना, बता दिया मुझे।
So Eidgah's boys, they are in trouble. Once again, Fazan has taken the responsibility to bowl. It's also a big opportunity for Bilawal to do something new, to set a good example for his team member. Such a sensible batsman, such a skillful batsman. Once again, Bilawal is the batsman. White ball, a deadly bouncer, but there is such no opportunity for the batters to play effectively. The batter has to focus on the ball. Here we go. Fazan is the bowler. Good shot. Oh, that's a very good breakthrough. Bilawal has to go back. Inside edge.
बैट लगा
Edge लग के लगा. So truly a great breakthrough. Fazan is such a sensible bowler. Always try to set a good example for his team member. He's always try to concentrate on his line and length, and always try to create a hurdles for the batters. Zan. The new batsman is Zan. Such a great all-rounder. He belongs to a Fatehgarh Sialkot. So it's a big opportunity for Zan to set a good example for his team member. Here we go. Fazan is the bowler. Good shot, catches the call. 2 fielders are there. Oh, what a catch. What a breakthrough. Zan has to go back. I've been already told you that Fazan is such a sensible bowler. He's on a hat trick. It's a big opportunity for Fazan. On the other side, brand of Fatehgarh, brand of Sialkot, Cafbud. He's using MKB brand, a brand of Sialkot. They are producing a very good bats. So here we go. It's a hat-trick chance. Fazan is the bowler. Good shot, catches the call. That should be out. But no one is interested to take the catch. Truly a lazy and crazy fielding. Truly a nonsensical attitude.
कसम से मैं दिल कर रहा है, मैं होता ना बॉलर मैंने उसको नंगा करके तू पीछे करवाने थे, मैंने ये इतना परवाह दिया.
Here we go. Fazan is the bowler. Aliman is the batsman. Such a sensible batsman. Brand of Sialkot, brand of Fatehgarh. He's on strike. Good shot through the covers. Look at that style. Style is the man. That should be a 6. Hashimpura Properties 10 on 10, 6. Aliman is using CD brand of Sialkot. He's truly a sensible batsman. Always setting a good example for his team member. He can do everything whatever you are expecting. Here we go. Aliman is the batsman. Good shot. Back-to-back sixers. Absolutely a huge sixer. Truly a huge sixer. Truly a sensible. Truly a remarkable. Truly a memorable. What a shot. What a player. Aliman. He's on fire.
इसलिए कह रहा था बंदा छितर मारे के साथ.
Aliman has the guts to set a good example for his team member. He's truly a man of honor. So this little man is a dangerous man. Once again, that's a huge void. Not a very good line. Fazan is in trouble. Aliman is always try to set a good example for his team member. He's always try to play according to the a merit of the ball. Here we go, Aliman. Oh, that's a very good variation. Slow delivery. So Faizan has the guts to deceive the batters. Such a great deceiver, such a sensible bowler, such a skillful bowler. Always setting a good example for his team member. But on the other side, this little man can do everything. He is truly unpredictable. He is truly a sensible batsman. A brand of Sialkot, brand of Pakistan, Aliman. Good shot. Short boundary is a big problem for the both side. No ball is the call.
दो लोग बंदा ये गालियां दे रहे हैं बंदा ससा इनके सर पे छतर मारी शर्म भी नहीं आती रिकॉर्डिंग इनकी हो रही होती है
अच्छा सही है, क्या सही है, जाओ कराओ। ठीक है, सही है।
अली मान ने आगे स्कोर कर देना वैसे भी
पता क्या है, था ऊपर ही लेकिन कवर पे था ना, यहाँ पर वो एज लाके उधर चला गया। वो कह रहा चल ठीक है कोई बात नहीं। बॉडी के अंदर होता ना है, फिर नो बॉल ही था। तो बाहर चला गया ना, फिर एज लगना। इस तरह बैट लेके आ रहे।
बहुत बड़ा सही बैट्समैन 10 में से 2 मैच में जरूर परफॉर्म मजा आवा अली मान वो गया जो आपका का बड़ा सही छक्का लगा
मैंने फोन करना है ओ तो वीडियो में वो क्या है मैंने सारे कथे
Gaikwad is on strike. काके बॉलर नेम दौड़ के जा। उमरी पेसर आजा। The new bowler is Umri Pesar. He belongs to Sialkot, a brand of Sialkot. Truly a sensible bowler, fast and furious. He has taken the responsibility. It's a big opportunity for Umri Pesar to prove himself that he can do everything whatever you are expecting.
बड़ा तेज है उमरी पे सर बड़ा तेज
Here we go. Umri Pesar is the bowler.
पहले उमरी पे सर खेलनी आज का वो खाने
Such a sensible bowler. Gaikwad is the batsman. Oh, deadly bouncer that was. Gaikwad was unable to understand how to play effectively. He's truly a quick bowler. Such a sensible bowler he is. Great talent. So Aliman is the batsman. Here we go. Aliman. Dead ball. Umri Pesar is in trouble.
सही उमरी पे सर बहुत तो तक रिपोर्ट
He's trying to do us something new, but very unfortunately, there is something wrong with him.
speed is 10.3 per hour.
Here we go, Aliman. He's on strike. Good shot, ground shot. That should be a single. Comfortably taken 2 runs. That's a very good running between the wicket.
पेट पे बॉल लग गई
Aliman is rotating the strike. Such a sensible batsman, such a skillful batsman. Always setting a good example for his team member. As a captain, he is playing a very vital role. He is truly a man of honor. Truly a man of prices. Once again, Aliman. Slow delivery. That should be a 6. Yes, it is. Hashimpura Properties 10 on 10 6. Sure.
इनका छक्का लगता है वो क्या होता क्या
Once again, Aliman. He's on strike. This little man is a dangerous man. Good shot through the covers. What a shot. What a player. Hashimpura Properties 10 on 10 6. Aliman is looking a little annoyed today. There is a huge hustle and bustle in the ground, so therefore the management is truly helpless. They are unable to, to do something. Here we go. Umri Besa. Oh, that's a very good variation. Such a great deceiver, such a sensible deceiver. Always setting a good example for his team member. On the other side, Aliman is truly an unpredictable character. Second last ball of this over. Every single ball is essential. Good shot. Ground shot, that should be a single. Comfortably taken 2 runs. Truly a lazy and crazy fielding. That was the last ball of this over. Okay, total पूछ क्या हो गया हुआ है?
Seventy-five.
75 run is the target. Truly a stiff target. But I personally feel in a cemented wicket, it's truly not a huge target. You can easily chase the target. You must have some sort of guts and a skill to chase the target. The person should be confident. The person must have a skill to bounce back in each and every kind of conditions. In a cemented wicket, it's a great opportunity for the batters to prove himself that he can do everything whatever the people are expecting. But it's a part of game that one has to win and one has to lose. $75. लेका क्या जाती है?
लाए यार बड़ी देर बाद कटने लगा घुमाने। So the target is 75 runs, such a chaseable target from Aliman. But Aliman's ball is very attacking. So watch the match. Such a stiff target, but this is chaseable score. Players on the field. Aliman was on the land. Such a lazy pitch. Drop catches, misfielding, simply you can say, break the backbone of the bowler. Such a lazy fielding in this match. Little discussion between the team of Aliman. टीवी में भी लगते हैं, मोबाइल कंप्यूटर पे भी लग जाता है। हाँ, टीवी में सर्च करना है। Personally, but 76. Personally, but 76. Yeah, low target from Aliman. Yeah, low target. Amazing fielding from Idgar's side. Yeah, great battle between the two traditional rivals. First one is Aliman and the next opponent is Idgar's 11. Yeah, great battle. Watch the match, please. And players on the field. Both teams are wasting the time. Lazy batting, bowling, and fielding. Not a very good lineman, not a very good batsman, not a very good fielder. But this match has very great battle. Great battle. बड़ी बड़ा यार ना करो जाना कैमरा कबाब कितने हो तुम यहाँ से लेके ना पिया करो बात सुन रहा ना यहाँ से कावा लेके कभी पीते कावे वाला ना ये है ना बीच में पानी जो होता है ना फिल्टर कर लाते हैं ये वसीम भट्ट जो है और मेरे मामू जो इन्होंने कहा कि तुम पी के पहले हम तुम्हें पैसे देंगे डबल पैसे देंगे तुम पी के खाओगे खुद इसने बिल्कुल नहीं पिए चुप होकर नहीं
ग्रुप में लाइव क्या नाम
हसरानी भट्ट सर नर्सी कटर का पानी से उनसे पूछ लेना अभी आज घंटे
सजाद क्या अलीमान ने कि नाम दसिया है साजिद और दूसरे का नाम शरोज है वो अयाज मिलेगा बॉलर
So the batsman is Sajid. Yeah, great all-rounder he is. Other side, Ijaz Khan is the bowler.
फेसबुक पे
Ijaz Malinga. Other side, on the running end. Once again, the first ball. What a shot! And that will be a 6 out. Winner has dropped it in lollipop. That's a dolly. He has dropped it. Lazy fielding. That should be a single. So the new batsman is Shadows. Here we go. The next ball. Ijaz Khan. A great bowler he is. Fast and furious. Fancy bowler. Here we go. Oh, what a shot! That should be a 6. But catches the call. Oh, what a catch from Capbutt. Capbutt, friend of Salcott. And Shadows has gone. Yeah. Great breakthrough. Yeah. Great catch from Capbutt. Catch of the day, catch of the morning. Great catch. And Shadows has gone.
इससे पता चल सकता है
नाम आप पता नहीं कितना पता चलेगा नहीं आइडिया
New bowler, new batsman is
मुदस्सर रजा बड़ा उस माइक नहीं होता भाईजान नाम क्या है आपका भैया
भाई
अलीमान नाम पूछो जरा इसका
The new batsman is Dania.
बॉलर
Great all-rounder he is. Once again. Oh, what a shot! And that should be a 6. Oh, what a catch! Catch of the day! Catch of the morning!
क्या बात
Back-to-back wickets! Capbutt! Such a great catch!
हेलो हाँ
Try to memorize his skills. Such a great
यार आ जा यार किधर है
all-rounder he is. Capbutt, friend of Salcott, catch of the day, catch of the morning. And Daniel has gone.
जल्दी आ यार जल्दी आ हाँ बाउंड्री पर ही जाए
So, and Daniel has gone. back-to-back wickets, back-to-back downs. So the new
किसी और
batsman
बनी
is
लाइव
Umri
बस ये नहीं
Pacer,
लाइव है
great all-rounder.
निकल ही नहीं रहा
Ijaz Khan is on hat-trick. Umar is on hat-trick. Oh, what a ball! Ball is very close to a wicket. Chance of a hat-trick, but that should be a dot ball. Such a great bowling from Ijaz Khan.
यार नहीं मेरे नाम को मुझे सर दा बड़ी ये भी मेरा ही है चैनल
कुमार नु रेडी रहना कुमार आहो किसे पासे नहीं सारा देवे के लिए निकलना चाहिए तो टूर्नामेंट है दो बंदा ऐड है
Oh, what a ball! Free delivery. That should be a dot.
ये भाई माना करेगा
That should be a dot ball. Such a great ball. There we go.
यहाँ पे
Ijaz Khan. What a bowling from Ijaz Khan. Umri Pacer is in trouble. Oh, what a shot! Catches the call. But Mateen is not interested to take the catch. That should be a single. Comfortably taken 1 run.
ओवर
And the over is completed. Score.
अकेला मैं कमेंट करता तुमको यही मेरा चैनल ढूंढ रहा
चैनल नहीं मिल रहा
क्या क्या नाम है
जिस पे
बैट्समैन
मर्जी निकाल दो यूट्यूब पे निकाल दो फेसबुक जिस पे मर्जी
यूट्यूब पे लाइव नहीं रहा यूट्यूब पे वैसे मैचेस हैं मेरे
कैसी है ये दूसरा हूँ
ये क्या हो रहा है?
यूट्यूब पे भी लाइव है
नहीं यूट्यूब पे नहीं लाइव यूट्यूब पे हसन अली बट 786 लिखोगे आ जाएगा वैसे बोलो हसन अली
शाबाश
बट
मार
हसन अली बट 786
हसन अली बट साहब
इजी हो गया
क्या नाम है इसका
व्हाट्सएप लिख दिया भैया
काशी भट्ट अच्छा बैट्समैन नेम
मर
so Umri Pacer is the batsman such a skillful all-rounder on the other side Qasim Bajwa is the bowler good shot that should be a 6 yes it is Hashipura Properties 10 on 10 6 that was truly a hit sixer truly a remarkable truly memorable what a shot what a player Umar Bhai is on strike he's looking very confident today he has decided to spoil the reputation of everyone doesn't matter who he is so Qasim Bajwa once again oh that's a very good variation but no ball overstepping is a big
यही
problem
नाम
for
है
the
ना वहाँ पे भी
bowlers
फेसबुक पे भी
यही नाम है।
ये पूरा लिखा है आ गया भाई
once again Qasim Bajwa is the bowler
नहीं निकल रहा
Umar is the batsman perfect Yorker this time that should be 4 yes it is couple of bounces over the fence back to back boundaries absolutely very expensive today so Qasim Bajwa is in trouble नहीं मिल रहा ये भी
वो यूट्यूब पे मिल रहा है लेकिन ये नहीं मिल रहा फेसबुक पर जब चेक करें ना शायद नाम आ जाए
once again Qasim Bajwa oh what a shot through the covers that should be a 6 yes it is 3 consecutive boundaries absolutely very expensive today Qasim Bajwa is in trouble Umri Bhai has decided to patch the reputation of everyone doesn't matter who he is he's truly a man of honor truly a man of crisis one man army one man show Umar Bhai he's on strike good shot catches the call comfortably taken 1 run there is as such no chance for the fielder to take the catch once again Qasim Bajwa is the bowler oh that's a very good variation
Yeah.
okay
समथिंग फॉलो किया हुआ लेकिन लाइव क्यों नहीं शो कर रहा था?
हाँ यही है।
अच्छा आप ग्रुप, अच्छा आपने चैनल नहीं बनाया हुआ, आप उस पे लाइव हैं अपनी आईडी पे? मैं मुंह क्यों नहीं मिल रहा?
Once again, Qasim Bajwa, brand of Fatehgarh, brand of Sialkot. Good shot through the covers. That should be a 4, but Kahbat is the fielder. No, sorry. Malinga is the fielder. Ayaz Malinga is the fielder.
ये तो लगेगी नहीं, ये डिलीट हो जाएगी।
क्यों? आ जाती है, मैं यहाँ से कॉपी करके यूट्यूब पे चढ़ा देता।
हाँ बस ठीक।
ये बैट्समैन का नाम क्या था दूसरे का? ये तो उमर है, वो दूसरा को क्या है? केसी। उमरी पेसर केसी भाई।
उमरी पेसर नहीं है
उसको उमरी पेसर ही कह रहे हैं वो। हाँ इसने छक्के लगाए, उसका नाम उमरी पेसर।
उमरी पेसर तो बॉल लड़ा है एक बॉल।
तो ये बॉलिंग भी करता है ना, ये ऑलराउंडर है। ये सियालकोट का, वो लाहौर का। उमरी पेसर जो है
वो जो था दूसरा बैटर जिसने ब्लैक बैट पकड़ा, उसका पता नहीं क्या नाम है।
Once again, Ayaz Pakhtunda, such a sensible bowler, such a great bowler, always setting a good example for his team member. On the other side, Casey from Sialkot is on strike. Here we go, the first ball of this over. Oh, that was a truly unbelievable. Fast and furious. There is such no association between ball and bat. Huge gap is over there. So Casey is in trouble. 21 runs after 2 overs. Truly inaccessible. Once again, Ayaz Malinga. Slow delivery, good shot. That should be a 6. Yes, it is. That was truly a huge sixer. Hashipura Properties 10 on 10, 6. What a shot, what a player. Casey bye. Casey is looking very aggressive today. He has decided to spoil the reputation of everyone, doesn't matter who he is.
YouTube
Once again. Oh, fast and furious, deadly bouncer that was. There is such no association between ball and bat. किस पे? YouTube पे? Hassan Ali Bhatt 786 क्या लिखना?
ना उन्होंने जाके अपलोड कर देना, अंदर अगला आता जाए।
अली बट
786.
आप करोगे सर हैं YouTube ਵਿੱਚ।
Once again, Ayaz Malinga is the bowler. Good shot, catches the call. Kahbat is the fielder. That should be a 4. Yes, it is. Qasim Bajwa is the fielder actually. So back-to-back boundaries, absolutely very expensive today. Ayaz Malinga is in trouble. Ayaz Pakhtunda, such a sensible bowler, such a skillful bowler. But I've been already told you that in a cemented wicket, you don't have enough space to make experiments. You just have to perform. You just have to prove yourself. That's a huge void, not a very good line. Ayaz is truly a sensible bowler, such a skillful bowler, fast and furious, such an economical bowler. But in spite of all these skills, he has to manage all these things. Otherwise, you'll be perished. You don't have enough space. Here we go. Casey is on strike. Good shot. Look at that style. Style is the man. That should be a 6. Yes, it is. 3 consecutive boundaries. Absolutely very expensive today. Casey is on fire. Malinga is in trouble. Such a sensible bowler, but on the other side, yes, he's also a sensible batsman. He's truly unpredictable. Perfect Yorker this time. There is such no chance for the batters to play effectively. Kake score?
Score.
38. 38 runs required in a final over. The bowler name? इसका नाम है Sameer. So the new bowler is Sameer Bhai. He belongs to a Fatehgarh. Such a quick bowler, such a sensible bowler. New talent has been introduced by Manali. Perfect Yorker this time, but that should be a wide. 37 runs required in a final over. A do and die situation for Umri Bhai. Umri Bhai is in trouble. He has to do something very special, otherwise he'll be perished. Here we go. Sameer is the bowler. Back-to-back wides. Not a very good line. Sameer is such an economical bowler, such a sensible bowler. 36 runs required. Here we go. Good shot! Look at that style. Style is the man. What a shot. What a player. Hashimpura Properties 10 and 10-6. Umri Bhai has decided to perish the reputation of everyone, doesn't matter who he is. He's truly a man of honor, truly a man of crisis, one man show, one man army. Umri Bhai. 30 runs, 30 more runs require in a 5 balls. Every single ball is essential for the both side. Actually, it's a do and die situation for Umri Bhai. So Manali has decided to, to instruct the bowler. He has to change his line and length because in a cemented wicket, so everything is possible in a game of cricket, especially whenever you are playing in a cemented wicket. So it's a big opportunity for the batters to prove himself to do something very special. Here we go, the next ball of this over. That should be a no.
पेस बड़ी है कंट्रोल इसको करने की पेस इसकी बड़ी हुई है मैच करनी चाहिए इसको जिस तरह की पेस है जूतों में पाड़े तस्मे को वाले बॉल
उसने शर्ट नहीं पहनी हुई, वो शर्ट चेंज कर रही है। पहले ही स्वेटर पहन के आ गया, पुत्र बाल नहीं होते सही। Umri Bhai is looking very confident today. Such a great all-rounder, such a sensible all-rounder. 29.
डेड हो गया
Once again, Sameer is the bowler. Perfect Yorker this time. There is as such no chance for the batters to play effectively, comfortably taking 2 runs. That should be out. Umri has to go back. Umri Pacer has to go back. There is as such no opportunity for Umri Bhai. It's truly a very unfortunate. But the final decision is it's out. This match has been sponsored by NK Sports, a brand of Karachi, brand of Pakistan. Once again, Sameer is the bowler. Oh, perfect Yorker. There is as such no chance for the batters to play effectively. Aliman has won the match. It's a one-sided match. There's nothing special for Eidgah's boys. So congratulations to Aliman for this great achievement, for this great victory. So get ready to watch the second match of this morning.
तब हो गया चलो
काकी चलें हैं हैं बंद कर दूं चलो फिर चलो
यार मैं अभी फिर दूसरी बाइक पे चलता हूँ
ओ इधर आ पकड़ो इसको रोल करो
यार मुझे आता नहीं है फिर भी दो चार तुक्के मार ही लेते आता मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं है ठीक है आता मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं है अगर कला तो और फिर इसका मेरे से
मैं तो कर देते हैं
नहीं
पूछना क्या हुआ
ये भैया ने बोला फास्ट और खेलने
खेल सारा दिन गुजर
अभी जा रहे खेलने
चल
मैंने पहले कहा था कि कितना गई मुझसे मेरी क्या गलती अच्छा वही है ना मैंने गिना है जितनी भी
समझ में वही है
ये मैंने पूरी गिनी है पूरी प्लेइंग 11 बन गई है ऐसे कितने को लोग हैं ना आपको दरअसल ना वो हादसा हो गया था वो दो लड़कों की लड़ाई हुई है एक लड़के का सर फट गया है
चुप कर रहे लाइक चल
फिनिश करना कर दूं